Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ATNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and this was all happening on well above average volume. So definitely a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward, as we have a pretty, what I would call in-your-face, quote-unquote, support and level that a lot of people are going to be watching. So when I talk about this, line that I'm going to put on here, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part or that I have some sort of special skill. Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you that people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching this level. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's exactly what's going on here with this level right down at $14. $14 important for no other reason other than the fact of that's right where the price bounced on several times today. So it's formed this little area of support. But the other interesting dynamic is that there is still a lot of downwards pressure within that. Now, what makes this interesting is that final 30 minutes. So actually, let me do this to really illustrate. And let me put in an official line there, because there was this trend line here that had been formed, which was really illustrating the fact that it was just a whole lot of downwards pressure. But because of that last 30 minutes, you see the price actually broke up above that trend line. Now, does that mean this thing's going back up to $18? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying, hey, it's a little bit more interesting now from the potential of maybe there will be a further bounce to the upside. But if this is just a false bounce and the price works its way back downwards, like I said, long, shorts, and everybody in between are going to be watching that $14 level, wondering if it holds. If it does not hold, then no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price at least go down to the $13.35 mark, if not lower than that, which, as you can see here, the price has not been down this low for quite a while. And then this is the other final area, which makes it interesting. If $13.35 holds, then there is a whole lot of room for it to potentially drop that much more. Not saying that would occur within 10 minutes, but just looking through the history of the chart, there just simply isn't any other data points that would suggest any sorts of areas of support. So like I said, a whole lot of people are going to be watching $14 and then $13.35. So we'll see if the price can maintain above those areas or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.